everybody. Today we're going to be getting our painting supplies out and we're going to do some color mixing. The first thing you will need is to set up your painting space. You will need to get out your smock, your placemat, piece of paper with your name on the back, and then you'll need to have one of the big painting brushes, a water cup, and there should be a tray or two of paint at your table. We are going to be mixing two primary colors. We're going to mix red and we're going to mix yellow. And as you guys know, when we mix red and yellow together, we make the color orange. If you said orange, you're correct. Orange is a secondary color. It's created by mixing these two. And so on our piece of paper, we're going to be mixing the colors. We do not want to mix in the tray because we want to be polite painters and we have to share our trays. So here's what we're going to do. We'll start with some red paint, and we have our placemats, so it's okay if we go over the edge a little bit. I'm going to put some red paint down. And I might even give my brush a drink just to make it, notice how it's lighter. The red gets more of a pink when it's lighter. So I'll put some red down on my paper, and whenever my brush gets dry, I add a little water to it. And then after I get most of it covered, I'm going to rinse my brush out in my water cup, and I'll show you. And I forgot to grab one, but you should grab a paper towel because these Big Daddy brushes soak up a lot of water. For me, I'll just kind of wipe it on the edge. And with my clean brush, now I'm gonna get a scoop of yellow, and I'm gonna go right over and start mixing those two together. And what you will notice is the red is a stronger color than the yellow. And so you might have to go back and get a little extra yellow, especially down here where I started my red. Oops. And so again, I'm going to get drinks of water for my brush. And notice how I'm just going back and forth, trying to make my whole piece of paper orange. Getting all the way on the edges. I'll rinse it one more time. So I can grab just a little more yellow because it's still kind of a reddish orange. I want to brighten it up a little bit, so I'll grab some more. I want to kind of add yellow down here at the bottom and mix it all the way through until I'm happy with the orange color that I have. Give your brush a drink when it gets thirsty. Okay, there we go. All right, I'd like you to leave these out to dry at your table spots. We're going to rinse our brushes in the sink, dump out our water cups, and Mrs. Belzer will probably come around and collect these. We're gonna do something with our orange paper in a little bit, but we need to wait till it's a little more dry.